Hello lovely people, I hope you're all well. I just wanted to say hi real quick, and I wanted to thank you again from the bottom of my heart for 10K subscribers. I'm so grateful for each and every single one of you. Thank you so much for crocheting with me. I so appreciate your time and appreciate that you choose making my patterns, and thank you for being here. Unfortunately, I don't have a new tutorial for you today because this week I've been quite busy. One reason for that is that I've been writing the pattern for this guy here. This is Damarion, the fierce ruler of the ocean, and the pattern for him is being tested at the moment, and it will be available soon on Etsy and Ravelry. The other reason is I've been designing this little fella here and this guy, this little frog. If you like, we can crochet them together in a super fun interactive crochet along, which will be on Saturday, the 6th of February, live here on YouTube and at 7 p.m. GMT, which is 2 p.m. Eastern Time and 11 a.m. Pacific Time. But if you're anywhere else, you can always convert 7 p.m. GMT to your time zone. And this will be a little project that we'll crochet together. You can find all the materials you need in the pattern, the free pattern link, which is on Ribbler, and I'll link to that in the description box below. If you don't have a Ribbler account yet, I highly recommend opening one. That's where you can access the interactive crochet along, where we will crochet this little guy live, and you will be able to see the written pattern as well as the live stream of me crocheting it, so we can make this little guy together, and I would love to see you there. You can find all the information in the description box below. And the other reason for this video is I'm looking for more suggestions from you now on what you would like to crochet next. I still have a few patterns planned for the next few weeks. Many of you suggested a hen, so that's what I have planned next, and then a deer, a little deer, and we have some more dog breeds, so I may be making some more different types of dogs. But yeah, I'd love to hear more of your suggestions so that I can make sure that I design the patterns that you want to see. So I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Just write me a comment down below, and I can't wait to read your comments and see what you want to make, and then I will plan the year ahead, and hopefully we'll get to crochet many cute little amigurumis together. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely Sunday. Bye.